Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine in your home. So what is day today? Look here. Today is 27th April 2021 and today the day is Tuesday. What is day today? Today is Tuesday. Our subject is English. In subject English today we will do AG sound word. This sound word we have already done. So today we will do the revision of AG sound words. Ag, 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 ag sound word. So first you have to draw the picture related to AG sound word and then you have to write. So first here I am going to draw. Tell me what is this? This is a bag. What is this? Bag. Ag. Ag. I will write here ag. Okay. Next. Tell me what is this? This is a picture of rag. 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 Ag. All these words you have already done in your English book. We are doing the revision. Bag. Rag. Now tell me what is this? What is this? This is tag. This is tag. जब आप मम्मा पापा के साथ शॉपिंग करने जाते हो तो उसमें प्राइस लिखा होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? टैग. व्हाट इज दैट? टैग. एग. ओके. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस? Hurry up, tell me what is this? This is picture of a flag. Ag. Ag. Okay. Now I will write the beginning sound. First you ag. I have already written ag, 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 ag. Now you have to find out the beginning sound that you have to write. B, ag, bag. B, ag, bag. B. B sounds. B. So I will write here B. B, ag, bag. So in this column you have to write bag. Next, rag. R. R sounds R. R sounds R. R. R, ag, rag. So I will write here R, ag, rag. This is tag. T. The beginning sound is T. T sounds T. T. T and tag. T and tag. Tag. T and g. Tag. Flag. Fl. Fl. Two sounds. Fl. Flag. Flag. Fl. Ag. Fl. Ag. Flag. Fl. Ag. Flag. Fl. Ag. Flag. Okay. Now let's write. Say b, ag, bag. You have to read along with me. R, ag, rag. T, ag, tag. Fl, ag, flag. Okay. So now let's start your notebook work. Now this is your English notebook. In your English notebook, first you have to write down today's date, 27th April 2021. Now here you will write ag, ag sound words. Okay. All you have to do this work. First, all students, you have to draw the picture of a bag. First you will draw a rectangle and then you can draw a triangle. and here also, and in this way you can show a picture of a bag. Then you will write here B A G, bag. 2 times you have to write B A G, bag. Next you will draw the picture of a rag. Rag. R A G, rag. R A G, rag. Next you will draw the picture of a tag. Tag. Then you will write here T A G, tag. T A G, tag. In the last we will draw the picture of a flag. Okay. F L A G, flag. F L A G, flag. So in this way you have to complete your English work. All you have to do this work because you need lots of practice to write in cursive 3-letter words. Okay, draw these pictures. These pictures are very simple for you to draw. Draw it by yourself because in the exams also you have to draw all the pictures by yourself. Draw the pictures and write 3-letter words. Okay, do practice of it. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.